Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to make a bar graph in Canva. So let's start. First of all, head over to Canva and go to Elements. Over here search for bar graph. Then you can find bar chart over here. Click on bar chart and over here you can find one comparative bar graph over here. You can see here are labels, series 1, series 2, series 3. You can change it over here. Let's see, I will write date. Okay, 2021, 2022 and next one 2023. You can see here I have changed the labels as 2021, 22, 23. Okay, let's choose item fruits. Apple. Let's write one apple. Then over here you can change it was produced 500 ton in 2021. It was produced as 550 tons in 2022, and if it was produced 460 tons in 2023, then over here you can see our comparative bar graph is ready. Then let's add another item as banana. You can change in 2021, let's say 800, then here 600, then in 2023 let's say 200. Okay, in this way you can fill your labels and items. Also you can change color of your graph. Over here just click over color, then head on to this 3 dots, then you can choose edit color. Then you can select any colors from here. Let's see, I'm choosing red one. Again click over color, then you can find edit color, then I'll choose one yellow, then next I'll choose dark blue over here. Yes, you can see here our bar graph is ready. If you want to delete data, then you can simply click over any one. Okay, let's choose this, then you can just hit delete. And yes, our bar graph is automatically adjusted. In this way, you can make bar graph in Canva. So, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.